I was excited to get started unboxing my Earth and Moon grounding mat. Let's first remove all the items from the tube. Straighten out the mat. My set came with a lava bracelet. Nice long cord. Now I need to make sure my outlet is grounded. Awesome. Plug the USA safety adapter into the wall. This adapter only has a grounding pin. No electricity will flow through this plug. I'll connect one end to the plug and then the other end to the mat. I can't wait to put my hands on it. I actually feel tingling. I was inspired to do some stretching. I won't make you watch my whole routine. I will admit I had the back of my shirt pulled up, so I was fully in contact. I really enjoy using this product.